How to lock your Facebook profile without the lock feature. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can lock your profile without the lock feature on Facebook. So, first what you have to do is you can simply open up your Facebook application on your mobile phone or your PC. We can simply go ahead and lock our profile completely on Facebook now, where people will not be able to see all of your posts, the people you are following, the likes you are giving. But sometimes we don't want other people to know that we have actually locked our profile, but we want to keep it hidden anyways. So you will simply go to your profile right here, open up your profile, and then click on these three dots right here. It will take you to profile settings. Here we can lock our profile, but we are not going with the conventional way, but we want to lock our profile. So you will simply go to View Privacy Shortcuts. In here, you will be able to find all of the privacy settings, such as Take a Privacy Checkup, Learn about your privacy on Facebook, Manage your location, and more. So you have to click on Take a Privacy Checkup. And in here, you will be able to check all of your privacy within Facebook. And you can go ahead and separately check each section and lock it. This way, you will be able to lock your profile without the lock feature. Now, you can see right here, we have the option of who can see what you share. So I can simply click right here and it will allow me to change my settings. Then we have how to keep your account secure and how people can find you on Facebook. So let's say that I turn off this option right here, who can see what you share. I can simply go ahead and change this setting and I will be able to change that who can see what I share. I can keep it to only me. After that, I can go ahead and change this setting as well. How people can find you on Facebook. You can simply go ahead and lock your profile this way, and this will allow you to lock your profile completely without using the lock feature. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.